Linda Hauk, the business librarian at Villanova University, with the video describing the types of reports you can generate using Simmons Insights, the platform for their consumer survey. I think the most powerful report that you can generate is the crosstab report. In a report like this, you identify the populations that you want to know about, and you add that to the vertical columns. And then you identify the questions that you want answered about those populations, and you include those in the rows. Another way to look at a cross-tabulation is the private eye view. You can export a private eye view to Excel, or you could save it on the platform. I would dissuade you from saving it on the platform, because then your report will be viewable by other users. There are consistent data points that are included in cross-tabulation. The first is the sample, and that is the number of people surveyed who meet both the column and the row criteria. The weighted is expressed in thousands, and that's the projected number of people that meet both the row and the column criteria. The vertical is the percent of the column that reaches the row. The horizontal is the percent of the row that reaches the column. And the index is a market potential index. So to read a cross-tabulation, here you see that our target customers are Jeep owners or muscle car owners. To get the total weighted population in the United States of Jeep owners, we'll read down here. There looks like there's 35,873,000 Jeep owners estimated in the U.S., whereas there's only about 7,770,000 muscle car owners in the U.S. If we wanted to read vertically, we could see that there are 53% of Jeep owners have used a weather app in the last 30 days. If we wanted to read vertically and find out about the use of apps for navigation, we could see here that 17% of the people that use apps for navigation are Jeep owners, whereas only 3.2% of people that use maps for navigation are muscle car owners. And when we wanted to know about the market potential index, here a market potential index of 113 indicates that muscle car owners are 13% more likely than the average to be using weather apps. Another kind of report that you can get from Simmons Insights is the quick report. You would choose that under the Essentials tab and select the Simmons Connect study. And here you see the various kinds of pre-formatted reports that are available. Take a closer look at a demographic profile of Jeep owners. We see that they're relatively well educated, have a pretty high income, and we can also see what the gender breakdown is. So these are the two types of reports that you can get from Simmons Insights: the cross-tabulation and the quick view report.